Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download, install and configure the Java JDK. Alright, so to do that, you can just open a browser, open your browser, that's what I'm trying to say, and type Java JDK, JDK, and click enter. So the first link here, you can see it's from oracle.com, and then anything to do with Java SE Development Kit 8 downloads. The first link here is the Java SE Development Kit. We're in Kit 8 right now, so Java JDK. And then down here, the more you go down, you'll get demos and samples. So we are not going to download the demos and samples, but rather we're going to download the Java JDK. So first of all, make sure you've agreed or accepted the license agreement, because if you do not, it's not going to work. And next thing you need to do is to choose your operating system here. You're on Linux, Mac, Solaris, or Windows. So I'm on Windows and I'm going to take the Windows X64. So it's kind of big, it's 205 MB. So just click it and select the directory to download to. I'm okay with the what was this directory, D downloads, and click save. So just wait for this to finish and then we will begin the installation process. Alright, so the long awaited download has finally completed. I'm going to click this arrow and go to the folder that's holding our download. You can see it's here. So basically, to install .exe application, you just double click, or you click once and press enter, or you right click and choose run or open. There you go. So welcome to the installation. Is preparing to install, and then it will just tell you computing the memory sizes and everything. So from here, the installation will just be a bunch of next, and wait for this to load, Alright, so you can see it's about to complete, and then it's going to remove the files because I had another JDK inside. So in case you have it, it will handle everything with removing the old files and replacing with the new. Or if you don't have it, then basically it will just compute the memory requirements and other stuff, and then load to the end, and finally you have your installation. So extracting the installer, and I'll just pause the video, and in case of any change with this, I will continue. I'll resume the video. So the bar has loaded up to the end, and begin this, and then this one is finally showing up. It allows you to change the destination folder in case, or to choose where you want to install your JDK. So for my case, I'm okay with the program files of my C directory, and then it will create a folder in the folder Java, and you'll have JRE and the JDK installed in that Java folder. So if you're not okay with these directory, just click change and just navigate to wherever you want to install your JDK. Otherwise, click next, and you see the installation process here. I'm sorry, I have to drag the windows because I'm using two screens, and I'm currently recording this screen. The other one is not recording, so when it opens on the other screen, I have to drag it to this one for the sake of you to see it. So just wait for this to finish installing, and then we will do the next thing. Okay, so the installation has completed, and yet another window has opened. So this window is asking you that it's just telling you that it has been successfully installed. So what you do, you just close, and then what we need to do now is to set up the path in the Windows environment variables. So to do that, you're going to click C. So you navigate to the directory where you installed it. So where's Java here, and you go to JDK, look for bin, and right click any of these, and click properties. And after you do that, you copy this link. So we want to have the location to the bin. Okay, so next thing you do is you look at this. It's on my computer, it's called this PC, but it can be some people have this directory called my computer. You can see it's just a list of all your directories. So you just right click this one and click properties, and once this one opens, you choose advanced system settings, and it opens on my computer, my other screen. So next you choose environment variables, and then on the user variables you select new, and then we can call it Java path like this, or anything, or even path. um, and then the value is this one. Before I click OK, I want to show you the difference between setting the environment variable and not setting it. Okay, so let's try to open our command prompt, and then, oh, I don't like maximized. So when you type Java C, you see it's telling you this Java C is not recognized. Okay, so let's press OK, meaning we have set the path, and then click OK. Okay, so we have applied everything. We have our path already. So we go back and open the command prompt. It's opening on my other window, and you type Java C. Oh, it's still not recognized. So sometimes when it does this, you need to restart your computer for it to take effect. All right, so I just finished restarting my computer so that the environment variables can take effect. Okay, so we are going to see after restarting the computer whether it was able to fix the environment variable. So let's open the command prompt, and you remember earlier Java C was not recognized. So after restarting the computer, if we try to type Java C, basically we have this bunch of text that shows you all the possibilities with the Java C. So whenever you see these ones, it means your Java C environment variable is now recognized. So basically when you change the environment variable, the best way to refresh the path, or to have the path refreshed and able to be located in the environment variables, is to restart your computer. So basically we are going to run our first Java program, and that will be in the command prompt, and then you will see the difficulty of how to run a Java program in the command prompt versus if we had a compiler or an interpreter. So that will be in the next video. Thank you for watching my video tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.